Hi, I'm Maya from Priority. In this video, I'll be giving you a quick overview of our new customer service zone, Priority Xpert. Our top video section gives you access to our latest and most viewed tutorials. Browse here to stay up to date on new features in Priority. Here, you'll find the knowledge base, which holds all of our documentation in one place. You can use it to find documents, FAQs, videos, and more. Use the tags on the side to filter through the results and easily find the help that you need. Some features of Xpert, such as opening service tickets, are exclusive to registered users. All existing Priority users will receive sign-in information to Xpert. It's a good idea to change the pre-generated password. You can do so by using Forgot Password from the sign-in window. One or more of your user accounts will be designated as a Customer Administrator account. The Customer Administrator can invite new users in your organization to use Xpert. To do so, all the Customer Administrator has to do is enter an email address and click Add. This user will receive an invite to register to Xpert. As a registered user, I can open and browse the list of tickets open for the account, view their progress status, locate a specific service ticket, view the updates, or edit them by adding a comment or attachment. When I create a new ticket and start to fill in the subject, Xpert automatically suggests existing documentation that might provide an answer. Once my ticket is submitted, Priority's team of ERP experts will be notified immediately. The next time I enter Xpert, the notification icon lets me know if there are updates to my tickets. Users assigned to customers with an on-site installation can access all add-ons available for download, such as upgrade and patch files, here. Thank you for watching our video about Priority Xpert. We hope you enjoy working with Xpert and look forward to hearing your feedback.